And to evaluate DTMVG, the evaluator is DTM Ramlingam, and I asked him the same question. He mentioned in Toastmaster, it is mutually supportive environment and where you can experiment things. And other thing in Meraki, he mentioned the best thing in Meraki is innovation from others inspires him. Please put your hands together and welcome Toastmaster Ramlingam to evaluate DTMVG.
Try not to become a man of success, rather become a man of value. That's what Einstein told. Vijay, you are a woman of value by being a passionate social contributor. Right? Throughout the speech, we could see how passionate you are towards that particular project. Two things I liked in your speech, really. Number one, you have put up a very clear process to convert the walls into doors. You explain each and every activity what you have done very clearly, very innovative process, ideas of like putting star, double star, and activity-based learning. All these innovations really inspire all of us. So those innovative ideas you have detailedly explained, that is something I really liked and enjoyed. And the second thing, you opened with a quote. Opening with a quote is definitely like we all know how to use it in a speech, but in this particular speech, this particular quote definitely created an impact when you have opened it. It created huge energy when you have opened it. Also, it has set up a clear expectation for your speech. What is going to come out of this speech? We are able to clearly get it from that particular quote. So you have definitely done a good amount of research and find that particular quote. Kudos Vijay on that. This particular speech, where I felt a little improvement can be definitely done. Number one, you are explaining the process in detail, the efforts you have put in detail. If you could have taken a minute to explain how thick the wall in front of you, the problem, the conflict in front of you, and then if you could have explained the process, then we could have like definitely appreciated how this process is going to be powerfully support the students. Right? So if you could explain that conflict, how tough is going to be the journey, then there could be the process you could have explained could have served as a solution. Then second point of improvement, I would suggest you spend more time on presenting the efforts you have taken. Maybe if you could have taken a little more time to explain the results before and after, before your entry and after like your efforts, how the students got transformed. If you explained, maybe if you could taken one particular student and how the particular student got transformed, that could have created a lot of emotional connect with the like your project, and definitely that could have increased the inspirational quotient of your speech. So if you could implement these two things, definitely the wall in front of you would have felt like it is difficult for you to break, and when how you have converted it into your door, you would have definitely able to appreciate Vijay. So from a passionate social contributor, if you could apply these few things, you will definitely become a passionate social leader. All the best, Vijay.
Excellent, sir. I really love